What's up guys, Hanif here. I'm going to be telling you guys how to make your photos better with the Camera Raw tool. What's up guys, Hanif here. Before you continue with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And also turn on my notifications to be notified whenever I drop a new video. And also watch out for the 500 subscribers special preset that is coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch out for the preset. Now I'm going to be telling you guys about the Camera Raw filter, or the tool that is in Photoshop, and how you can use it to make your photos better. It's kind of like a little alternative to Lightroom, but I won't really call it an alternative to Lightroom. So let's just go over the editing process for this photo right now. So the Camera Raw filter is like, I think it's built in Photoshop. If it isn't, you can download it for free online. Yeah, so right now let me just give you guys a little intro to the Camera Raw filter and what it does. So basically, like I said earlier, it's like an alternative to Lightroom. If you can't get Lightroom, this would actually go along with it. This does almost everything Lightroom does, So yeah, I'm just going to go over a little, like this is where like your camera settings are. This is the camera I use for this image, and this is where like the settings I use, like I shot at f2.8 1/200 of a second, and ISO 100, shot with a 50mm lens. So there's a little intro. This is where you rotate your images. Are like different tools to crop, rotate your images and all of that. So now I'm going to do the basic adjustments here in this image. So before I touch my white balance, I'm not really sure I have to do that right now, but let me just go over my exposure a bit and my shadows as well to just make the image a bit brighter. And then I think I'm going to leave my highlights as it is and add a little bit of contrast to this image because it deserves some contrast, you know. So my whites, let me bring it up a bit and then bring my blacks down for that extra contrast. Yeah, I think that's okay. So add a little, very little bit of clarity here, and then let me adjust my white balance up a bit. Let me just see how it looks when I go up. Okay, so let me just up it a bit. I think it's okay as it is. So let's make the image brighter. I'll bring the shadows down a bit and bring the highlights down as well. Yeah, I think I'm fine with this image as it is. Yeah, I'm fine with like the adjustments so far. So let's move over to the tone curve and see what we can do there. Now the tone curve, as you know in Lightroom, it's like the same thing. It's like same one you know in Lightroom basically. So it does the same thing. So you just put your point here. I can lift my blacks a bit for that little faded look. Then bring my shadows down for contrast. I'll lift it up here a bit. Then my midtones, bring it up as well, and also my highlights. Yeah, so let me move over to my I won't do anything on my red channel. I'll just go to my blue channel, then add a little bit of red to the shadows basically, and then bring a little bit of blue to the highlights, but not really. Yeah, so I think I'll crop this image. Yeah, let me move my crop to here, then like I'm supposed to do this before I start, so sorry for my bad editing. So I think that is okay. Wait, I didn't do that right. Let me move over to crop tool again. Yeah, I think that is okay. So now I've cropped this image. So I think that's fine. So let's just cycle before and after view. Before and after this, before after. You can see like we have like really improved this image with this tool. So let's move on to the sharpening. You can sharpen this image a bit. Just add a little bit of sharpening, and then saturation. I like to bring my reds down a bit sometimes. Maybe not. I don't want too much like colors everywhere. I'll leave my yellow as it is, and then yeah, basically then every little bit of purple. I just want to like shift it down. Every little bit of blue, I mean. I want to like move my blues down, and then my right. Yeah, so I think I'm done with that. Now my split toning, I have like regular numbers I use here. My split toning, I have to keep the shadow right here where it's like closer, where the colors are like closer to the skin, and then I'm just playing around with my highlights and see what I love here. So I think I'll go with like a cooler highlight right here, and then I don't have to do intimate lens correction vignettes. I don't really want to do anything here, but let me just bring it down a bit to -3. And then green. If you're about green, you can add green to your photos. To be honest, no one will judge you, or maybe some will, but no one will really judge you if you want to add green to your photos. And then my camera calibration, as usual, we just mess around with this and see what works for us. So I think I like where this is here. Then bring my saturation down a bit, and then okay. I think my camera calibration is fine so far. Just reduce the saturation of certain parameters. Yeah, I think this image is fine so far. Let's just, this is basically all we have to do with this image. Like you can see, like we have really improved this image with the Camera Raw tool. Before and after. You guys can see how we have like really improved this image right here. So this is how you can use your Camera Raw filter to like really improve your image. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.